Physics 5.1, this is a summary of the 6 forms of energy. So, the 6 forms of energy. All forms of energy have 2 types: potential, stored energy, and kinetic, which is the energy of motion. So your 6 types again are thermal, chemical, electrical, radiant, nuclear, and mechanical. And all 6 of those have potential and kinetic possibilities. Thermal energy is the internal motion of the atoms. It's a heat energy because the particles produce heat when they move. Thermal energy can be produced by friction, and it causes a temperature change or phase of any form of matter. Chemical energy is required to bond atoms together. When those bonds are broken, that energy is released. Chemical energy is found in foods and fuels primarily as stored chemical energy. Electrical energy is the moving of electrons. Power lines carry electrical energy to your home in the form of electricity. Radiant or electromagnetic energy is light in any form. Each color of the rainbow, Roy G. Biv, represents a different amount of electromagnetic or radiant energy. Electromagnetic energy is also carried by X-rays, radio waves, and lasers. Nuclear energy comes from the nucleus of an atom. That is your source of nuclear energy. It's what holds protons and neutrons in the nucleus. When the nucleus splits, that's known as fission, the nuclear energy is released in the form of heat and light. Nuclear energy can also be released in a high-speed collision where the nuclei actually join together or fuse. So fission, splitting apart, or fusion, joining together. The sun's energy is produced from a nuclear fusion reaction where hydrogen nuclei actually fuse together to form helium. Nuclear energy is the most concentrated form of energy that we currently have. Finally, mechanical energy is energy from the position or motion of an object. When work is done on an object or to an object, it acquires energy. The energy it acquires is known as mechanical energy, and we will represent this in 5.3 by Eg and Ek. Energy conversions. Energy can be changed from one form to another, and you have the law of conservation of energy that says the energy is not created or destroyed, just gets transformed from one form to another. These energy transformations or conversions help us understand that law of conservation. So, all forms of energy can be converted into all other forms, but you must specify where. It's not okay to say electrical becomes mechanical. Tell me where. So, the sun's energy, radiant energy, through solar cells can be converted directly into electrical or electricity. Green plants convert the sun's radiant or electromagnetic energy into starches and sugars, which is chemical energy. So, other energy conversions. In an electric motor, electrical energy can be converted into mechanical energy. It makes the motor go. In a battery, chemical energy from the battery can be converted into radiant or electrical depending on the appliance. And mechanical energy of a waterfall can be actually converted into electrical energy in a generator. So in an automobile engine, fuel is burned to convert chemical energy into heat or thermal energy. That heat is then turned into mechanical energy by spinning the turbines or the pistons. So cars have everything except for nuclear energy. Hope this summary helps. You're going to be doing a few conversions. Thanks for watching.